In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a description to the description field in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully update your project details. To get started, let's begin from your Jira homepage. When you first log in, take a look at the left corner of your screen. Here, you're going to want to click on the Projects tab. This section is your gateway to accessing all the projects available to you. It's a simple navigation step, but it's crucial to ensure you're working within the correct project context. Once you've clicked on Projects, you'll need to navigate and locate the specific field where you aim to add a description. This might mean navigating through different boards or project sections depending on your particular setup. Take a moment to double-check you're in the right spot to avoid any confusion later on. Now, when you've found the right field, you'll see an option to Add a Description. Click on this. It's important to remember that this is where your detailed information about the project or task will go, so be prepared with the content you intend to include. Think about what details are most essential and relevant for your project or your team to understand. Once you've clicked into the description area, take your time typing out a clear and concise description. You can also customize the text using the options available in the description box. These might include formatting tools like bold, italics, or bullet points, which can help to organize your information and make it more readable. Customization ensures your message is not only visible, but also engaging and easy for others to follow. After you've inputted and customized your description, don't forget the final step. Click on Save. This important action confirms and stores your description within the Jira system, ensuring that it's accessible for your team to see and utilize. By following these steps, you'll efficiently add and customize descriptions in your Jira projects, enhancing clarity and communication among your team members. Remember, having comprehensive descriptions can often be the difference between confusion and seamless project execution, so take advantage of this feature to its fullest. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. Keep practicing, and soon, adding descriptions in Jira will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your projects.